guys, so today is Tuesday night and we're gonna go try the kitchen sink. So this is my roommate Sarah.
Hi.
And Emily's in the back, she's vlogging. So she wanna stand over there so you know my loud ass voice doesn't power hers, but we're gonna go to the kitchen sink and eat ice cream. Cause all of our roommates are finally freaking here. Woo! Hello! Featuring Emily and her camera. Oh my god, this is coming towards us now. Nobody clapped but us. Go Brian!
I'm gonna turn the lights off and get a photo.
Thank you. The awkward moment when we're the only ones clapping. Look at this monstrosity of a thing.
Yeah, I want a brownie.
I'm so excited. Ready for the first scoop? Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Oh my god, I want to keep this chocolate brownie.
Yes, I love brownie.
Yes, I want a chocolate brownie.
Okay, well,
That's whipped cream. Why don't we all scoop brownie? Yeah, we could just like.
okay, there's your scoop.
Thank you very much.
I want brownie.
Same. Something else. Oh god.
So Alondra took the first bite.
It's good. It's really good. That's cherry ice cream.
We'll just go go around.
That's strawberry.
No banana. Are there nuts on this?
I don't know. They're good.
Not like whipped cream. Not all whipped cream, yeah.
Really?
I don't even know.
I think it's all the way.
That's peanut butter.
Alright. Yeah? There you go. Ice cream? No.
Oh, it's so cute. I like that it's
It's right there. That's strawberry and whipped cream and some brownie. That's alright.
I got like a piece of fruit.
Oh, cherry.
And then I got peanut butter. Sorry, I'm just gonna grab the chip.
What's some of that green ice cream?
I think it's my chocolate chip. I want it so bad.
She didn't get any ice cream. She's not
I know, I put peanut butter.
Which one's like chocolate chip? Is it this one? Or is it just like
chocolate chip? There's cake. I think that's cookies and cream.
oh.
I love cookies and cream.
Okay, I don't know what the hell that is though.
Yeah, sorry guys.
What is that? Which one? This?
Yeah.
No idea what that is.
What, the gummy looking thing? Oh my god, this little beef. I was like, oh, let me get some.
I'm so glad we're all finally here. Like,
Honestly, it like doesn't feel hard. I'm gonna wake up. It doesn't.
Oh my god.
How is it, everybody?
Thank you.
It's huge.
It's almost gone.
Yeah. It's good.
We're trying.
No one else has gotten a peach.
What is
I
that?
swear I keep eating like pieces of peaches. No. I think it's just you.
so this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drink it up. 1, 2, 3.
Not gonna.
Bar. Okay. Ready, steady, go.
Yeah.
How?
Wait, how? Oh my god. She's a good kisser.
She's going.
Oh, Maddie's doing it alone.
Milkshake. Just a milkshake.
Okay, I'll do it now because she's like doing it by herself. But okay, so we're done.
Welcome.
We're done, guys. We're done. That's one thing off the bucket list. Yay.
What's on the bucket list? What is
I
the
got
bucket list?
mint bucket list.
Yeah.
I have my own.
Okay, so what are things that you guys want to do? Eat around the world, drink around the world.
What the heck is eating around the world? Epcot.
Yeah.
At Epcot.
I'm a very picky eater, so.
Aw, really?
I think they have like something for like everybody. There's a couple things.
On the menu. We'll go resort hopping.
Great job.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet everybody.
You too.
We'll see you again.
Yes. Maybe.
Thank you.
Maybe.
If we don't like die, I'm like.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do that one more time. Okay, I'll do it again.
It is. You gotta, especially a party of 6. You gotta do it.
Oh yeah.
It's split into 6?
Put it hard.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright guys, and that is us doing the kitchen
Okay,
sink.
so what is that? Split
See you guys out later.
It's $6, I think.
Oh, really?
That's good.
Roommate gifts. Okay.
I don't really have a really favorite shade.
So this was my own roommate gift to myself. So I have this Aladdin painting. Then I have this cup that I made.
I said aqua. She said light blue. She said.
And then,
Turquoise.
so Emily gave us this nice mason jar. So that's obviously Pocahontas. And then we have John Smith on the other side, my bae. And inside we have chocolate, which I obviously cannot open, but
Help y'all, homegirl.
why girl, thanks.
I got you.
Yep. And we got a little Mickey hat here, which I've always wanted to. Ooh, okay. So what else do we have here? So this is from Maddie. Look what she made us. So pretty.
Here, let me help you out.
Why thanks, girl. It's bae.
Yes.
With makeup. So this is going up in my room.
Where'd you get these from? That's really cool.
We also have a bracelet with Mickey heads, which I'm gonna wear forever. Yeah, we have the same one because we're roommates. Woo! Yes.
I have the same one.
Yeah, we all have the same.
I thought it was my room. I was like, oh.
Yeah, we all have the same.
Like,
Yeah, you're not fucking explosive.
You're like, I have the same one too.
We have a chancla.
Oh, they are.
Mm. And a crown, which I'm gonna get right now, like in 2.2 seconds. With my name on it, because I'm a queen.
True.
And everyone else is too, because we're DCP royals. Okay. Where are my other stuff? Hold on, set up. Okay. So Sarah got us this beautiful glittery letter.
which is gonna go perfect in our room.
Which is gonna go perfect.
Right
Yeah.
there.
Or up there, we might spell Mamski, which is our initials. And then Carly got us this notebook with chalk.
I love that.
So now I don't have to go buy an autograph book because I can just get them to come in here.
Autographs everywhere.
And then Alondra got us this nice bracelet from Mexico. And this pouch from Mexico with my name on it. I mean, obviously they have Maria. It's Mexico, but... And then this nice travel cup with my initial. Yay! Lots of excited faces
Every
here.
time you record me, I'm thinking
You know what the exciting part about this is I've never had anything with my name. Me too.
Really?
Same.
No,
Because
that's just other thing.
spell my name with a K and an I. Nobody's
Alright guys, so that's the end of roommate
You did
gifts.
those for me just then in there.
It is currently 2:35 in the morning, so we should probably go to sleep, but... Yeah, we should probably go to sleep, but none of us are going to probably go to sleep, so...
in the morning.
Okay, lifeguard test is tomorrow.
Can you eat those?
See you all later.
Those are yours.